For
For
the
the
first
first
quarter
quarter.
po, 9 million pesos. For the second quarter, 9.1 million pesos. And for the third quarter, 9,140,000 pesos po.
Ano ang arithmetic nun? 9 times 8, almost 30 million.
27,240,000 pesos po.
Nawala, 27 million, nawala namang kasamang document para sabihin kung ano yung mga illegal activities na yan. Lastly, Mr. Witness, anti-extremism at terrorism programs. Extremism and terrorism programs ng DepEd. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Nakalagay dito sa second column,
Your Honor,
pakibasa.
Your Honor
Yung
will
second
object
column.
to the question, anong ibig sabihin? Because obviously this is something submitted by the DepEd and the witness is not competent enough to testify what DepEd meant.
Your Honor, I was just reading it. In fact, there is no question on what is this.
Then I apologize for that. I just heard anong ibig sabihin.
Winidraw ko na yun,
Apa,
Counsel.
sorry.
Sa second column, gather information necessary for the implementation of general peace and order. Peace and order within the department. Within the department. Meron bang sinubmit na documents dito, Mr. Witness?
Anong document po ulit yun, ma'am?
Itong nakalagay dito, to gather information necessary for the implementation of general peace and order within the department. Tama bang basa ko? Hindi within the country. Within their own department. What documents were submitted to evidence this information gathered?
Wala po silang sinabit na document.
Last is intensifies, next column. Intensify background investigation of DepEd personnel and learners involved. Terrorist groups sa campus involved in terrorist groups. Mr. Witness, any evidence of this intensification? Pinatibay daw ang background information kasi daw merong terrorist groups sa mga eskwelahan. Ano naman ang dokumentong sinabmit ng DepEd para patunayan? Natunay nga na may terrorist ang mga eskwelahan. Meron ba? Submit the documents.
Wala po silang sinabit.
Okay, and this is the same for the second quarter and the third quarter. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?